Okay, just starting up, 9 o'clock. Basically this house has just got some mold on the trims, window sills. Now we do got some copper here on these little overhangs. Got some wasp nest up here, but most of the mold's just on the trim here. But I am going to hit a test spot right here on this. That might not even be copper, that might actually just be painted, but I'm not sure. This house is, I checked the paint, it is not an organic based paint because it was just repainted not too long ago, so I mean obviously you can tell. That was one of my top concerns just looking at it. And then it looks like we got a little bit of mold just on this white down low trim. So we are going to get started. Just do the whole house and both sheds. All right, even though I was told it's not organic paint, it's still best to do a test spot for yourself before you go spraying the entire house. So looks like we're going to be good. Shouldn't have any problems. All right, we're soaping. Getting this house clean. Got a lot of mold on that bottom trim. But the M5 is going to eat right through this job, I do believe. And probably the next one too. This house has a surprisingly high amount of wasp nests. I'm not really sure why, but look at this white trim. I sprayed this just whenever I did a test spot a minute ago on this copper. Nothing happened, so we're good to go. But that's already clean as opposed to that, and it's only been, I don't know, 2 minutes. But I'm gonna keep soaping. I'm gonna soap the front, I'm gonna rinse my way back, and then I'll hit the back. All right, 10 o'clock, house is done. Time to start on the shed back here. House just took us like an hour basically to do the whole thing. This shed, I'm gonna go ahead and soap. I've already gotten the far side of it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and soap both of these sheds. Oh, look. Apple tree. We'll be good. That trim is really dirty. Look at that. But man, it already came down. Wow. Just enough hose to reach this far side too. That's all I got. All right, this shed is soaped. Just got this one. I got this job from Facebook. Not an ad, but just organic posting and communicating with the community. And people see your stuff, you know? They build trust with you. And then they want your service. So that's the best way to get jobs for free, I'd say. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and soap these two sides, follow up with a rinse, and we'll be done. All right, 10:30, already got paid, wrapping up, rolling out.